All right, so we're going to open up the Cafe, Gene Cafe. I don't know why I keep calling it Cafe first. Genesis. What is Genesis? Simply put, life from lifelessness. We intend to inject the Genesis torpedo to a barren moon or asteroid. Okay, here we go. Dun dun dun. Gene Cafe. Let's start pulling this little guy out of the box. Pulling it out of the box. Right, a little slower. That looks like the base. That's what it's all about. You see up here, instruction books. Who needs those? And this, I know, I've seen this thing in all the fun videos. Let me hold on. Let me try to get this out in one shot there. So let's try and get the whole thing out. Sometimes holding it back here. Don't go too hard. I'm not sure if I have two hands. So, let me try this one more time. Hold on. Let me put you down. So, here it is. And it's in there. But the reason I couldn't lift it straight up is because it's got a nub there. And you should know that when you try to pull yours out. So, what's going to put what we know is the exhaust carburetor off the side. Our box is empty. Got our styrofoam off. All right, there it is, getting closer. Getting closer to the Gene Cafe. As I tip it up, I see the bag and the stuff in there. So I'm gonna push you down again. I think that's the exhaust vent. And that's where that's gonna get hooked into. So I'm gonna put you down. I'm going to roll it down like a sock. So, getting closer. Oh wow, that's nice and shiny. And to give you an idea, I mean, can I give you an idea how big it is? What is that? That's one of the big jars. That's not a small jar. That's one of the big jars. Nice. Now, I do know from all my pre-videoing, so you want to hit this latch here, latchy. We're going to pull it straight in the direction of my fingers going this way, not necessarily straight up. It doesn't look like it's. There we go. Okay, came out very beautifully. Let me put that. So. This here is just pretty much the unboxing. Remember, coffee beans, not drugs. Just as powerful. And probably more expensive. Depending on where you are. Alright, we're going to take this out here and put this little guy together. Okay, that last little task took 2 hands because of the way this is bagged. No big deal. So we're going to pull these pieces out, which I assume it comes apart in many pieces so that you can get chaff out. Oh, look at this thing. Didn't cut the bag big enough. Now it's being painted. Alright, there we go. Don't need the bag. Oh, I'm gonna go this way. Yes. Yes. Okay. So there we go. So it looks like the chaff will get blown into there. So let's click it together. Not doing anything fancy. I'm just lining it up and can you see it? Yeah, this is actually the easiest time I've had to find it. One time it's been in the right place. Yeah. It's about right wiggle around too. Okay, that's weird. So that's going to be a two-hander, I believe, in the name of safety and of the hardware. So hold on. All right, so that was pretty easy to connect there, but I had to grab it here and push from here because that little bridge there is directly connected to here, so it kind of wiggled. So that's good there. And I assume that hot will face out. Let's just look in there like that. Okay, maybe it's the other way. Actually, it's the same little holes there, so you must click down hard. Yeah, I'm sure it does. Here we go. You can't watch that because I'm doing this very poorly. And with one hand again. Alright, again, don't be a fool. Use two hands. You get it right now.